my channel. If you're new, my name is Savannah LaDell, and if you're returning, then welcome back. So today's video is going to be all on this sexy, sultry, chocolate brown. Oh God, I always do this. So today's video is going to be all on this look. I'm calling this my sultry brown smoky eye for Valentine's Day. So this is a great makeup look if you're going out on a date, or if you just want to look cute for yourself, just want to, you know, feel good, look good, but you don't want to spend too much time. This look is super easy, you know. She ready. All right, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take a moment, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the bell, that way you never miss another video from me. And also make sure that you're following me on Instagram at LaDell. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. Let's just get straight into the video. So now I'm gonna continue to prep my skin with a primer, and I've been using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I really like it. It definitely does smooth out your skin, fills in pores, and then it also just kind of gives your makeup or your foundation a little bit of grip. Now for me, I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so I always like to color correct, especially when it's just acting up really bad, and right now it is. So I'm gonna color correct with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Orange. I'm just gonna put a little bit goes a long way. Might as well do it under my eye because I feel like I have really bad dark circles, so why not? Let's just put it there too. I'm gonna use my Morphe M173 brush to just blend this out. Okay, so now that that is done, it's time to go in with the foundation. I actually got a sample of the new Smashbox Studio foundation, I think is what it's called. I am in love. I'm in the shade 4.05 if you're interested. So I'm just gonna put, whoa, that was like a lot. Wow. I like super full coverage, so you really don't have to put as much as I'm putting, but that's just what I'm gonna do. It does dry down really fast, so once you put it on the skin, you need to go ahead and blend. So we are gonna cream contour. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. And we're gonna just do a little bit of cream contour. Doop. Doop. Just a little bit on the forehead. And then we'll just blend this out with the Real Technique sponge. So now that I've done my cream contour, now we're gonna highlight and conceal. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm gonna go all the way in. So, do you guys have any plans for Valentine's Day, whether you're single or dating or in a relationship? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing anything. Oh, my little thing is showing. Let's hide him, okay. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing anything for Valentine's Day or that weekend. What is something that people do now? They have Galentine's Day, which I guess is like a dinner or like a cute little gathering for you and your girlfriends, which I think is really cute, especially if you're single. Even if you're not, I think it's just a fun way to celebrate the holiday without having the pressure. For me, I don't think I'm gonna get to do anything for Valentine's Day because I work, and the person that I'm dating works as well, so I don't think we're gonna get to do anything, but he better give me something, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. And I think he knows better. He knows what to do, but we shall see. I don't really care. It's not that big of a deal. Look, I'm used to being single and I'm used to not getting anything, so you know, it's just another day. Another day, another dollar. Honestly, if I were near my friends, like my really close friends, I probably would have a Valentines Day because I think that's just hella cute, and I'm a sucker for a good theme. All right, so now again, we're gonna go back in with the Real Technique sponge and blend everything out. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and set the face, and I think today I'm actually going to bake. I'm gonna bake with my Laura Mercier powder today. I'm gonna bake underneath the eyes, and then we're gonna hop into the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna use my same sponge and just dip in. Ooh, went a little heavy there. I don't necessarily want to bake up here, but man, I get oily there so much. We're gonna do a sexy, sultry, but easy chocolate brown smoky eye-ish with a little twist, because it's not gonna be, it's just gonna be easy. It's not gonna be complicated. This, if you're like a beginner, you're gonna be able to do this look, and you're gonna be able to slay it, and you're gonna look cute, and you're gonna be feeling yourself, okay? So yeah, that's just the kind of makeup that I like. I like simple, easy, but like, dang, she looks good kind of makeup. You know what I mean? Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is in a transition shade. And for me, I really like this Kylie bronzer in Tawny Mommy. I like it as my bronzer, and today I'm also going to be using it as my transition shade. I'm going to dip in with my Morphe M532 brush. It's just a nice fluffy brush, and we're going to go into our crease, actually a little bit above the crease. And you know, I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. Oh wow, okay, I didn't want you that close. Back up a little bit. That's I think this is a good, like, healthy like, I don't want you just like, oh, in my, I don't want you here, okay? Because I feel like earlier you were here and now you're here. So cool. We're gonna go like right above the crease and also into the crease. And one tip I have is hold your brush, like, don't hold your brush up close like this, because then when you blend, you're gonna have a really harsh blend. But if you hold your brush a little further back, you'll have a much lighter, airier type of blend, which is what you want. You want it to all be seamless. So just use a really light hand and go in kind of circular-ish motions. And I just like to get this, just like, let's get the party started in the crease and a little bit above. And also I focus it, as you can see, kind of on the outer V. And we're just adding like some warmth and depth to the eye. Next, we're gonna step into the James Charles palette. Now, you don't have to use the James Charles palette. It is a very popular palette. Now, I work in the beauty industry, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's one of the top selling, like, palettes. Like, it even after the scandal. I know a lot of y'all probably have this, okay? But if you don't, it's okay. I'm sure that you have a warm toned brownish palette. We're gonna use this guy, well no, this one right here. We're gonna focus this on the outer part of the eye. And so I wanna use a more tapered brush. So I'm gonna use my Morphe M513 brush. Use a very, very light hand and just blend away in that outer V of your eye. And create that dimension and that little smokiness. So to blend everything out, I'm gonna go back into my transition shade. I'm gonna use this Morphe M518 brush. We're going to use this very beautiful brown shade as our lid shade. It is, whoa. Okay, here we go. It's right here. I'm just gonna make sure I keep this on my lid. I'm not gonna go above my crease with this. Okay, so now that the lid color is down, I'm gonna go back into Tawny Mommy, and aka my transition shade, and I'm just gonna you know, clean everything up all around the eye. I think it's blended out pretty well. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is add a wing, and this is gonna be like so simple, like anybody can do this. If you don't do wings, like this is just easy, okay? Anybody could do this. Now we're gonna go into this matte black shade in the James Charles palette right here, and I'm gonna just use a like eyeliner angled brush. This is from Elf. I think it was like $1, you know, so inexpensive, but I don't want like a harsh wing. I just want this to be very soft. So I like to kind of pull my eyelid. I know that's kind of frowned upon, and then I just go in sections and I'll just work in that eyeliner. I do want to kind of clean up under the eye a little bit. Just take my little blender. Now I'm gonna dust off this extra powder that I have under. Hopefully it doesn't leave a cast. I don't think it will though. Okay, so I'm also gonna do a little bit of highlighting in the inner corner, and I'm gonna use this Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. It's called Cheers Darling. I don't know if you guys can see it. My ring light is super bright, so if you can't see it, I'm sorry, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M562 brush. I'm just gonna get just a little bit, and we're gonna put it right on the inner corner. And this is just gonna like help wake up your eyes, make you look alive, make you look awake. And I just like to add just a little bit, not too much. Just gives that nice little pop. Now I am gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm gonna try to put on lashes today. Y'all know I don't really do lashes, but I feel like if you're going out on a date for Valentine's Day, you wanna look extra sexy. So you can put on some eyelashes. If that's not your jam, don't force it, girl. Put on your favorite mascara. Mascara is just as good. So I'm gonna prep my lashes with this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And then I'm gonna pop my lashes on off camera. We're gonna come back and finish the face. So this is the Pixie style. It looks like this. Okay guys, so I'm back with my big ass lashes. I just don't wear lashes a lot. So like when I do have them on, I'm just like, whoa, like is this too much? But I think I'm just not used to it. I'm gonna go back into my bronzer from Kylie Cosmetics. It's called Tawny Mommy right here. And I'm gonna use my Morphe M530 brush. We're just gonna warm up the skin. Bronze it up. Bronze up here. Underneath. And then I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit with the same bronzer, just a little bit. And I'm gonna start up here right underneath my brow bone and then connect it down the bridge of my nose, swoop under. Very subtle because I'm not that great at this yet, but I like the look it gives me. It makes a nice little difference. Now it's time for blush. Blush is one of my favorite parts of makeup. So today I'm going to be using this MAC Extra Dimension blush in Cheeky Bits. It's right here. I'm not stingy with the blush. I just go into like a nice little circular upward motion. Just gonna stop right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Cheers Darling, which is a highlight from Kylie. And I'm gonna take this messed up fan brush and just kind of go right at the tops of my cheekbones. Just really subtle, nothing crazy. I'm gonna use this Morphe M562 brush, and I'm gonna just put a little highlight on the tip of my nose, a little bit down the bridge, just right at the top. Kind of just blend that out. I feel like I want a little bit more in the inner corner. I want it to pop a little bit more. And then I like to do a little brow bone highlight, just really subtle, right on the Cupid's bow right here. So I'm gonna use my favorite lip liner of all time. This is from NYX. It's the matte lip liner. It's in the shade Vintage, and it's just like my everyday lip liner. Now I'm gonna use this Rimmel lip liner. It, I think, is in the shade Cafe a Latte. I'm gonna put this just a little bit on the center of my lips, like just very lightly, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna use my Essence Shine 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 lip gloss, and behind the scenes it's a clear gloss, but because of my lip liner it looks a little, has a little color to it, but it is clear. And I just like to put that on. This is the look. Now I'm gonna go do my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. Be right back. I hope that you loved this tutorial. Let me know if you liked it in the comments below. Let me know what other Valentine's Day makeup looks that you want to see from me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. And then yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, let me do my other hand because this nail's broken, so. Bye.